Hi, I'm Bob Allison with ShopSabre CNC. Around here they call me Router Bob. It's time for another Router Bob Out and About trip, and today we're going to Victor, Idaho, and Peter Wells of Sego Ski Co is going to show us how they use their ShopSabre IS 510 to make snow skis. Let's get started.
This is they're very, sorry, let me start over on that. I lost my train of thought. No, that felt pretty good, and then I just ran a blank. We cut all the skis out. We cut them out on a bandsaw. Sorry.
Fix your head one more time.
Yeah, I think so. Maybe two more, we'll see. Okay. Sego Skis was founded in September of 2014. We moved into a facility in Victor, Idaho, where we started building skis and snowboards, and we built most things in-house, but we didn't build a lot of our cores, and we didn't mill our plastic sidewall. Eventually, we bought a CNC that we started to cut all of our own cores. We started to cut our sidewalls. We started making all of our tooling, which is made from aluminum, and our molds out of MDF. We knew that we needed that automation to bring us flexibility. We knew we needed to be able to control our own process and bring some of those items that we're outsourcing in-house. The problem, what we didn't realize, was that our old CNC was the bottleneck for our whole shop. Everything got held up right there. When we were machining our cores, our ski cores were taking near 20 minutes per pair. We knew that wasn't fast enough. We had to make more skis than that in a day. Getting to our cassettes and our molding and all of our tooling, that really was a time suck to get a new model into production. We really didn't have the capability of doing that. So while we brought our processes in-house, we created a new bottleneck for ourselves. So in the winter of 2020, we knew it was time to upgrade our CNC. We made our list, we called all the different companies, figured out what exactly we needed. We knew we had to cut lots of different materials, including wood, thin plastic sheets, UHMW, larger plastic sheets. We cut aluminum and several other items. So we knew we needed a pretty beefy machine that could do lots of different things for us. Another really important piece of the puzzle, we're an American manufacturer, and we want to support our other American manufacturers. Made in America, made in the USA is very important to us. So we got on the phone, we called lots of different companies, tried to make the list, tried to get all the quotes together of all the different types of machines, and really compared everything. What really stood out was the ShopSabre sales team and customer service. Instead of trying to oversell me and trying to get a more expensive and larger machine, they really whittled down exactly what I needed, what my purpose was, and got me all the right functionality, which at the end of the day, got me a large machine, but without every single bell and whistle, but every single bell and whistle that I needed. And that was really important. Once we finally ordered our ShopSabre IS 510, we got our order in, got it booked, got our delivery date scheduled, and surprisingly, it arrived early. Rarely do I think anything ever arrives early. Unfortunately for us, we were moving into a brand new building, new construction, and there wasn't even a roof on our building when the CNC came. And that was all right. It was a heavy duty machine that came really well packed. We have lots of machines in the shop and we order a lot of machines, and it's always just a wild card knowing what's coming, how it's gonna be packaged, and like if everything's gonna work right when it comes in or not. That was not the case for the ShopSabre. It came in perfectly shrink wrapped, really easy, nothing was broken. It was pristine looking when it came in. Once there was finally a roof, 4 walls, and electrical in our new building, we got the ShopSabre set up. Once the electrical was in, we were cutting our parts same day, getting our tooling set up, getting our fixtures set up. We were off to the races. The ShopSabre has really changed the way we machine our parts. It's really changed how our production works here at Sego. Our old CNC used to be able to cut parts, but it was still our bottleneck. It was cutting a pair of cores in about 20 minutes, 1 pair of cores. The ShopSabre, we cut about 4 cores in that same 20 minutes. Our old CNC, when we were cutting our thick sidewall sheets, it was just really difficult to watch it. It was struggling through the thick plastic. You really had to kind of grit your teeth and hope that it was gonna turn out good enough. The IS 510 cuts thick plastic just like butter. It's amazing, and it cuts it very quickly. We now have really good results. Our manufacturing is leaner than ever. We can control our inventory to a much higher degree. We also use the ShopSabre to cut aluminum. We make cassettes. We make molding for all of our skis. All of our tooling is also made in-house. And that is why the ShopSabre IS 510 has really transformed our business and made us run leaner, more effective, and allows us to make more money at the end of the day. The manufacturing process here at Sego Skis is quite unique. We run a wood shop, a composite shop, and an overall machine shop. We use our IS 510 for just about everything. We control all of our inventory by lean manufacturing, pulling in raw materials, and machining them here first. When we get our lumber in, it comes raw. Our plastic comes raw. We have to machine everything down into parts that have really, really tight tolerances. When we're making a ski core, if that ski core is off by any amount, it changes the flex of our ski, it changes the dimensions of the ski, it changes everything. So we need really tight tolerances from the very start. Once the parts are made, we bring them into the layup room. This is our composite shop. This is where we're laying down fiberglass, carbon, rubbers, different metals, the cores, the sidewalls, the base, the top, all with resin and hardener between each layer. That's when it turns into its composite. From there, it goes to the finishing room. The finishing room is when you know if you've gotten a good lamination, if the ski looks right, if anything's gone wrong. That's when the ski's cut out. It's cut out with a bandsaw, shaped on sanders, whittled down until it looks like a shiny ski. We put a really great tune on the ski. We put structure into the base. We polish all of the plastic. We polish all of the metal. And then it goes to quality control. Quality control is where the rubber hits the road. That's when we know, is this off by 0.1 millimeters? Is our tip height wrong? Is there enough camber in the ski? And all of those variables come back to good machining. We make all of our molds, we make all of our tooling, all of our fixturing on the IS 510. That affects all of the pieces of the puzzle. Not just the parts, but how the parts are made, how the parts are laid up, how they're finished. It all starts here on the IS 510. When buying a CNC, you have to think, what are my end goals? What am I trying to get out of this? And for us, buying the IS 510 is really going through our checklist of what was important to us. And rather than saying, well, I can fold on this or I can fold on that, we really said, this is what we need to run efficiently, so it's gonna be worth it. We make our money selling skis. This machine makes all of the parts for us. That makes us money. The faster we can make skis, the faster we can make parts, the more money our shop's gonna make, which is really important at the end of the day. So it really can't sacrifice anything that you don't need, and you have to go full in on it. ShopSabre has been fantastic, keeping us running, keeping the machine running perfectly with a good tune. Anytime we've had any sort of issue, I'm able to get customer service or technical rep on the phone immediately. Somebody answers my call every single time. I don't think I've left a single voicemail at ShopSabre. A lot of times it's human error. I'm doing something wrong and they need to tell me that I'm doing something wrong. But there's somebody always to tell me that and to help me fix that problem and learn how to do it better. And that really is pretty special in any company. I can't think of really any other company that has as good as customer service, as good as technical reps, and just good at answering the phone, because that's honestly half the battle, is being present. And ShopSabre is very, very present. If you're looking to buy a CNC or upgrade your CNC, I highly recommend ShopSabre. We've been so happy here at Sego. Our manufacturing process has grown. We are making more and more skis than ever. We've been able to take on more contracts. And if you're looking to expand your business and make good parts, then I recommend a ShopSabre.
What a fantastic story. It's always great to hear a success story from one of our customers and learn how their purchase of a ShopSabre CNC router impacted their business. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you need more information, you can contact us at shopsabre.com. Thank you for watching.